Are you ready to transform your workshop with the best woodworking tools 2026 has to offer? Whether you're a beginner woodworker just starting out or a professional craftsman looking for more precision, having the right gear is a game changer. In today's video, we're counting down 20 genius woodworking tools every woodworker needs to own. We're covering everything from must-have woodworking power tools and innovative Amazon woodworking finds to the essential hand tools that will take your joinery to the next level. If you want to work faster, safer, and with surgical accuracy, you won't want to miss these smart workshop gadgets. Let's dive into the ultimate woodworking tool list for 2026. Loose artwork or shifting frames can ruin a finished piece. The Meite Point Driver manual tool is a picture framing tool designed to secure frames cleanly and accurately using 1,000 count flexible point nails, with no need to purchase additional fasteners. This lightweight 1.37-pound frame point driver features adjustable nailing depth to streamline your framing workflow while reducing hand fatigue. Built for precision and comfort, it works as a picture frame stapler, nailer, and tacker in one. It is used for DIY crafts, artwork mounting, and professional picture framing projects. Loose glass or frame backing can quickly turn a clean project into a headache. The Northline Glazier point driver is a magnetic head framing tool for picture frame hardware and window glazing, designed to set points cleanly with minimal gaps. Its ergonomic non-slip handle and long handle for better leverage reduce wrist strain and improve accuracy. The magnetic head point setter holds points securely for faster installs. Including 50 premium Glazier points with a storage case, it works with clip frames, picture frame tabs, fasteners, and glazing tools. Shop setups should work around your projects, not limit them. The Microjig Matchfit Dovetail Hardware Variety Pack 2.0 is a woodworking track system routing tool designed to create flexible jigs and fixtures with ease. By routing a standard half-inch 14-degree dovetail groove, you can build fences, stops, and hold-downs that slide and lock anywhere. This complete 8-piece variety pack includes multiple track screws and nuts for expanded clamping reach, durable reinforced resin construction, and full Matchfit system compatibility for precise, adaptable woodworking. Tired of layout lines that never seem to line up? The Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Square is a full-size, USA-made aluminum layout tool built to transfer layout lines around corners with speed and accuracy. When precision matters for tenons, dowels, and angled joinery, this tool becomes essential. Its zero-wiggle hinge carries layout lines across corners in one placement and works on angles, not just 90 degrees. Measuring 1 1/2 inches wide by 7 1/2 inches overall length, it's perfect for clean, repeatable woodworking layout and joinery work. Glue-ups shouldn't fight back. The Woodpeckers Joint Bridge Clamp Pad Set is a 12-pack, USA-made solution that keeps boards level and equalizes clamping pressure when accuracy matters most. It's a must-have for cleaner results, especially during longer glue-ups where center support is critical. Great for longer glue-ups, you can stack joint bridge pairs with scrap stock above and below panels. Ideal for through inlay cutting boards and perfect clamping pads for older clamps, these pads are built tough from glass-reinforced polycarbonate and used to prevent marring while ensuring flat, even glue-ups. Bad stair measurements can ruin an entire build. The Eleon Stair Tread Template tool is an aluminum alloy stair tread jig for accurately measuring angle, length, and depth, making precise layout simple and repeatable. This stair gauge measuring tool is a necessity for eliminating gaps and uneven cuts, whether you are a pro or a first-time DIYer. Its adjustable design handles varying tread sizes with ease, while the CNC anodized aluminum alloy build ensures durability. Compatible with many types of layout projects, it is used for stair treads, risers, and accurate multi-purpose measuring tasks. One slip near a blade can change everything. The Microjig Grr-Ripper Plus is a fully adjustable 3D push block, built to protect hands and prevent kickback like never before. A table saw push block is essential for safe controlled cuts, especially with small or narrow stock. Includes safe rip kit for precise material handling and cleaner cuts. Powerful downward, inward, and forward pressure virtually eliminates kickback and burn. With the proprietary green GRRR IP and limited lifetime warranty, it is used on table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers for safer, more accurate cutting. Clean edges start with the right router, the Keentech Compact. Router is a powerful, portable solution for serious woodworking. A reliable router is essential for shaping, trimming, and detailing wood with accuracy, and this model delivers. It fits Makita 18-volt batteries and features a 6-speed 1000-watt fixed-base wood router for woodworking with a Keentech brushless motor for faster, more precise cuts. Adjustable speed and consistent RPM under load ensure smooth results, while energy-efficient power and safety-first controls make it ideal for edging, grooving, slotting, and detailed finish work. Clean joints make or break a woodworking project. The FivePears Router Bits set is an essential upgrade for anyone who wants precise professional results. This 3-tooth T-shaped wood milling cutter woodworking tool is built to industrial-class router bit standards, with a tooth width of 1/4 inch and a shank diameter of 1/4 inch. The set includes one-piece tongue router bit and one-piece groove router bit for tongue and groove work. With solid hardened steel, anti-kickback design, and safety-focused operation, it is used for drawers, wood floors, wainscot paneling, and shaker-style panel doors. Drilling straight holes doesn't have to be a challenge. The BullseyeBore core drill guide ensures precision every time with its high-vis green laser for visual work surface alignment. Projects 3 bright laser patterns to show when your drill is perfectly perpendicular, supporting bits from 2 inches to 8 inches, including spade, auger, Forstner, step, and aircraft bits. Its magnetic drill attachment allows instant setup on common drill chucks, works on walls, floors, ceilings, and angled surfaces, and keeps your workpiece scratch-free. Ideal for accurate holes in woodworking, cabinetry, and specialty projects. The Yilia adjustable height setter tool is a must-have for countertop leveling and flooring gap fix work. This pro gap adjustment kit uses heavy-duty suction cups to lock onto granite, marble, quartz, and tile, giving you precise height control without slipping. Designed for stone slab alignment, repair, and seam leveling, it saves time while improving accuracy. Ideal for professional-grade tile alignment, it's used to level countertops, fix gaps, align seams, and deliver clean, seamless flooring and stone installations with confidence. Getting clean, accurate layout lines is critical when details matter. The Milescraft Scribing and Compass tool is designed for precise, accurate scribing where standard pencils fall short. Its articulating pencil head handles complex angles, while the retractable, spring-loaded locking precision point delivers a consistent radius every time. The adjustable writing instrument grip holds number 2 pencils, carpenter pencils, and Sharpie markers, with a built-in pencil sharpener for crisp lines. Compact and versatile, it's used for scribe offsets, flooring, circles, cabinet trim, architectural moldings, countertops, and layout work while staying perfectly parallel to surfaces. Tight miters deserve more than glue alone. The Yuchengtech Spline Jig is a table saw router table. Right-angle spline jig designed to adjust and strengthen miter joints and add design appeal. Adaptive clamping secures frames from 5 to 42 mm thick on table saws, planers, and router tables. Precision CNC machined aluminum with 1 mm ultra-low clearance delivers less than or equal to 0.5 mm accuracy. A metal-free safety safety-optimized path and bidirectional clamping stabilize 15 to 500 mm depths. Built from aerospace-grade anodized aluminum, it's portable, durable, and ideal for picture frames, small boxes, decorative joinery, reinforced miters, and hidden dovetails. Tired of a bench that never fits the job or your posture? The Workpro adjustable workbench delivers a solid, flexible workspace built for real work. Featuring a crank handle and a 47.2 inches by 23.6 inches rubber wood work table with a 300 pounds load capacity, it's a height-adjustable standing desk for workshop and garage use. The heavy-duty load capacity supports serious tools, while the adjustable height improves comfort and productivity. Superior stability, a space-saving manual crank, and premium rubber wood and SPCC steel construction make it ideal for woodworking, repairs, assembly, and everyday workshop tasks. Cutting logs shouldn't mean fighting dirt, weight, or dull chains. The Piripara Timberjack log lifter is an adjustable log roller cant hook built from heavy-duty steel for real logging work. It raises logs for safe cutting, up to 11 inches off the ground, protecting chainsaw blades and saving effort. The adjustable hook handles logs from 3 to 15 inches in diameter, while the removable design works as a multifunctional log pivot for rolling and lifting. With an ergonomic handle and durable carbon steel build, it's ideal for rolling, raising, and cutting firewood safely and efficiently. Drilling crooked dowel holes can ruin an otherwise perfect project. The Aboutool Doweling Jig kit for straight holes is an adjustable width woodworking joint tool, drill guides, and locator designed for accuracy and speed. Built from aircraft-grade aluminium alloy with laser-etched scales, it ensures precise positioning for panel furniture and woodboard joints. The kit includes 3 size drill bit options, adjustable metal bushings, and a beautifully machined drill guide body that matches board thickness. Portable with an organizer bag, it is used for home repairs, DIY projects, and professional woodworking joints with clean, aligned results. Getting perfectly flat panels should not be a fight. The Osecool pressure panel clamps are 4-way pressure steel clamps for cutting boards, tabletops, and cabinet making, ideal for flush joints and precision woodworking projects. This clamp applies pressure in 2 directions at once, giving you more flexibility when selecting lumber. Designed for panels from 3/4 inch to 3 inches thick and 10 inches to 36 inches wide, it prevents bowing and shifting. Made from 2.0 millimeters thick steel with a durable powder coat finish, it's used for creating flat cutting boards, cabinet tops, and table panels with less sanding and better results. Perfect cuts start with perfect alignment. The SpeTool Track Saw Square delivers 90-degree precision with a plus or minus 0.01 degree right-angle track saw guide rail square built for serious accuracy. When straight cuts matter, this tool locks securely across the entire contact surface, ensuring consistent results on demanding woodworking projects. Its quick lock one-handed operation speeds up setup, while the extra-large and thick design adds stability and reduces vibration. Scratch-free and rail-protecting, it's compatible with Festool, Makita, Milwaukee, and PowerTech systems, making it ideal for guiding track saws when cutting panels, sheet goods, and cabinetry with clean, square results every time. Precision matters when small errors become big problems. The Woodpeckers BigCal woodworking caliper delivers piston-fit accuracy for larger projects, available in 12-inch and 24-inch sizes. The hole center attachment set, it makes center-to-center measurements fast and exact, letting you find hole spacing without guesswork. Machinist-style jaws align inside and outside references, so you can transfer critical dimensions without reading the scale. Engraved stainless steel blades show 1/32 inch and 1 mm scales, include depth measuring, a scribing notch, and can even convert into a T-square. It's used for layout, measuring, and precise dimension transfer in woodworking projects of any size. Achieve cleaner, precise cuts with less effort. The Suizan Dozuki Dovetail saw is a 6-inch crosscut professional Japanese pull saw designed for fine woodworking. Unlike traditional push saws, it cuts on the pull stroke, reducing effort and delivering razor-sharp edges with minimal tear-out. Made from high-quality Japanese steel, it stays sharp longer and provides exceptional control. Perfect for dovetails, joinery, and delicate cuts, this saw enhances your woodworking experience, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a beginner. Its lightweight design and precision make it essential for creating detailed, professional quality projects. That's our list of the 20 coolest woodworking tools that are trending right now. Which of these genius tools are you adding to your workshop next? Let me know in the comments. Below, we love hearing about your favorite DIY woodworking gadgets. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tool reviews, workshop hacks, and woodworking projects. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the must-have tools mentioned today. Thanks for watching, and keep building.